Unit 2 LMBB means Learn More, Be Brighter. Read the following paragraphs from the lesson. આપણે જે ફકરાઓ છે પાઠમાંથી વાંચવાના છે. તો આપણે પાઠ વાંચેલો છે. પ્રશ્ન જવાબની વાત કરીએ. હાઉ મેની જેમ્સ ધે આર ઇન અકબર્સ કોર્ટ, એટલે કે અકબરની કોર્ટમાં કેટલા રત્નો હતા? તો કે 9 રત્નો. આપણે અહીંયા લખશું Akbar's court had 9 gems. Who was तानसेन? तानसेन कौन હતા? तो कि ये एक ग्रेटेस्ट म्यूजिशियन संगीतकार હતા. तो तानसेन was a great musician. Which rag did Tansen create and how? એટલે તાનસેને કયો રાગ બનાવ્યો છે અને કઈ રીતે? તો તાનસેન made some innovations in Malhar rag and created Mia Malhar rag. તાનસેન made some innovations in the Malhar rag and created Mia Malhar rag. Answer the question selecting the answers option A, B, C, D. Akbar had 9 gems in the court. Tansen was a greatest musician. Which of the following is not a rag? Malhar, Chirag, Deepak, Kedar. Chirag. In which rag did Tansen make some invention? Malhar. Which rag did Tansen created? Mia Malhar rag. Innovation means renovation. D. Wonderful. The king said about Tansen's voice was wonderful. The king asked to Tansen to sing something for them. Which instrument did Tansen play? Tanpura. Which rag did Tansen sing in the court? Darbari. B. Which word shows the king was very happy? His eyes brightened with praise. D. What did the king call Tansen? Ustadji. Wonderful. Who said this? Akbar. C. Paragraph 3. What did the king say about Tansen's voice? તાનસેનના અવાજ વિશે શું કહે છે? So, the king said, about Tansen's voice was the most wonderful voice in the world. Did Tansen agree with the king? What did he say? No. Tansen did not agree with the king and said that someone has sings better than he. How did Tansen show his respect to the king? તાનસેને એમને કઈ રીતના રિસ્પેક્ટ બતાવી? See, he sang for the king. Which of the following statement is true? એમાંથી કયું સાચું વાક્ય છે? Tansen was the best singer. Someone sang better than Tansen. Someone sang as good as Tansen. Tansen sang better than anyone. So someone sang better than Tansen. B. Disbelieving means disturbed or not happy. Not happy. Right. Fourth, what condition did Tansen put to the king? એ તાનસેન જે છે એમને રાજા પાસે કઈ શરત રાખી કે આપણે ત્યાં જાશું તો એક રાજા તરીકે ને એક સંગીતના ચાહક તરીકે. તાનસેન put condition before the king was they go to Sant Haridas as a humble lover of music, not as a king. How would the king go there? The king went there as a great lover of music. I shall go to himself. Who said these words? Sorry, I shall go to myself. Who said these words? એટલે કે રાજા કહે છે કે એની રીતે જશે એમ. અકબર would go there as a humble lover of music. એટલે અકબર જે છે મ્યુઝિકના ચાહક તરીકે ત્યાં જશે. હમ્બલ મીન્સ ગ્રેટ, બહુ મોટા. ફકરો પાંચમો, પ્રશ્ન પહેલો. હુ સેંગ બેટર દેન તાનસેન? તો સંત હરિદાસ sings better than Tansen. Where did Sant Haridas live? Sant Haridas ક્યાં રહેતા હતા? તો Sant Haridas lived in Vrindavan Vrindavan in a hut near river bank. Who was Sant Haridas? Sant Haridas કોણ હતા? એ તાનસેનના ગુરુ હતા અને ભગવાન કૃષ્ણના ભક્ત હતા. તો સંત હરિદાસ was Tansen's guru and he was devoted to music and Lord Krishna. Who was Sant Haridas disciples? એટલે એમના ચેલાઓ કોણ હતા? બીજુ બવરા અને તાનસેન. Biju, Avra and Tansen. To what was Sant Haridas devoted? So Sant Haridas devoted to music and to Lord Krishna. Tansen was talking about Sant Haridas. A. Who was Sant Haridas? तो एक साधु or saint. Which of the following statement is false? એટલે આમાંથી કયું ખોટું છે? Sant Haridas was Tansen's guru. Sant Haridas lived a simple life. Sant Haridas was devotee of music and Lord Krishna. Sant Haridas lived in a palace. Sant Haridas lived in a palace. D. Which word in the paragraph means everyday, routine or daily? Disciple means students. C. I sang as you sang. Who said this word? Sant Haridas. D. Who was the Sant Haridas favorite disciple? સૌથી ચાહકા વિદ્યાર્થી કોણ હતા? તો કે તાનસેન. A.